Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, dock your Nintendo Switch and leave it in TV mode. Grab a USB-A to USB-C data cable, charging only, cables will not send controller data. Power the Switch, then power off the Dualsense Edge by holding the PlayStation button until lights go out. This prevents Bluetooth conflicts. Once done, plug the USB-C end into the Dualsense Edge and the USB-A end into the Switch dock. You're initiating a direct wired HID connection because the Switch reads standard USB controllers. With the cable connected, turn the Dualsense Edge on using the PlayStation button. The dock should now detect a USB HID device. You go to System Settings, choose Controllers and Sensors, then press Change Grip/Order to see if the Switch assigns a player slot. If the controller registers, test inputs in the Switch home menu or a game. This wired path bypasses Bluetooth compatibility and lets basic buttons and sticks work, because the Switch accepts generic USB controllers in docked mode. Finish by verifying every control. Open a game, confirm face buttons, triggers, sticks, and directional input. If a function is missing, disconnect and try a different high-quality data cable. Poor cables cause incomplete HID negotiation. Reboot the dock if the controller intermittently disconnects. Remember, this wired method works only while the Switch is docked. Handheld play requires a Bluetooth/USB-C adapter, which often lacks full DualSense features. If nothing registers, reset the controller and repeat the wired connection steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.